LuxMed Ultrasonic Cleaners remove contaminants high-frequency sound waves to clean objects by creating tiny bubbles that burst, dislodging dirt and grime.
Welcome to LuxMed, a testament to the Make in India mission, a global force redefining health.
LuxMed Ultrasonic Cleaners use high-frequency sound waves to clean objects by creating tiny bubbles that burst, dislodging dirt and grime. This method is effective for various items, including jewelry, medical instruments, and electronic components. Key components. Generator provides the high-frequency electrical power to the transducer. Transducer converts electrical energy into ultrasonic waves. Cleaning tank contains the liquid and the object to be cleaned. Cleaning solution. The liquid used in the tank, often containing detergents or other cleaning agents. How it works. 1. Sound waves. The ultrasonic cleaner emits high-frequency sound waves into a cleaning solution. 2. Cavitation. These sound waves create tiny bubbles, cavitation, in the liquid. 3. Bubble bursting. As the bubbles grow and collapse, they release energy that dislodges dirt and grime from the object's surface. 4. Cleaning. The cleaned object is then removed and rinsed to remove any remaining cleaning solution. Applications. Medical. Cleaning surgical instruments, dental tools, and lab equipment. Jewelry. Removing dirt, grime, and buildup from jewelry pieces. Electronics. Cleaning electronic components and parts. Industrial. Cleaning parts and tools in various industries. Other. Cleaning eyeglasses, watches, and more. Benefits. Thorough cleaning. Ultrasonic cleaners can reach into hard-to-reach areas and crevices. Gentle cleaning. The process is relatively gentle on delicate items. Efficient. Ultrasonic cleaning can be faster and more efficient than manual cleaning. Environmentally friendly. Some ultrasonic cleaners can use biodegradable solutions and reduce chemical usage. Ultrasonic cleaner working principle. Ultrasonic cleaning uses cavitation bubbles induced by high-frequency pressure, sound waves to agitate a liquid. The agitation produces high forces on contaminants adhering to substrates like metals, plastics, glass, rubber, and ceramics. This action also penetrates blind holes, cracks, and recesses. Ultrasonic cleaners work by generating high-frequency sound waves that create tiny bubbles, cavitation, in a cleaning liquid. These bubbles then implode, creating localized shock waves and intense heat that dislodge dirt and contaminants from objects submerged in the liquid. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Sound wave generation. An ultrasonic generator produces high-frequency electrical energy, typically in the range of 25 to 50 kHz. This energy is converted into mechanical vibrations by an ultrasonic transducer. 2. Cavitation. The transducer generates high-frequency sound waves, which are transmitted to the cleaning liquid. As the sound waves pass through the liquid, they create pressure fluctuations, periods of compression and rarefaction. During rarefaction, low pressure, small bubbles, cavitation bubbles, are formed. Bubble collapse and shock waves. Cleaning action. LuxMed looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please refer